Pittsburgh is the epicenter of brownfield redevelopment. We have so many former industrial sites that have been returned to productive use. The Almono site is a 178-acre site. It was formerly a coke and steel mill. It's been abandoned for over 10 years now. It was such an important economic generator for this region, and it's gone fallow. What the master plan is about is redeveloping the site and re-welcoming people and jobs and investment back to this part of our region. The Act 2 process allows you to follow an approved plan to make sure that the sites are safe, and then it eliminates the environmental liability for the new owners so that they can pursue new jobs and new growth on those sites.
This property is owned by the Almono partnership. The partnership consists of 4 foundations who were investors in the property. They knew they could afford to hold on to it for as long as it took to find the right developers, to get the right plan, to carry out a really dynamic and far-sighted plan. And that's what we intended to do, and that's what we are doing. The Almono partners hope the future of this site is that we are a model of sustainability, that we have generated tax revenue for the city, that we have created jobs that local people have been able to take advantage of, and we hope that there is benefit to the adjacent communities, including the Hazelwood.
The future of this site is really divided into 4 sections, each of which has its own distinct characteristics. If we start at the far end near the Hot Metal Bridge, that part is adjacent to the Pittsburgh Technology Center, and it's really envisioned to be similar in character. Then we have the Smart Site Central Green. That area has some recreation, some historic features, but also some urban agriculture and some lower density energy uses. Then we get to the existing mill building, which we are going to preserve and reuse to reflect the industrial heritage of this site. But we're going to bring industrial jobs back, 21st century clean industrial jobs. And then as we go to the Hazelwood end of the neighborhood, we have residential and mixed-use development planned there. Our site plans are really integrated with what's going on in the community and making sure that what happens here on site reflects the needs and the wants of the people in Hazelwood. So this is really a symbiotic process between the community and the Almono partners to make this site a success.
One of the early activities that we've undertaken is to develop a trail that will link Hazelwood with downtown so that now Hazelwood residents will have access off-road to all these employment centers, so anyone who chooses to commute by bicycle can do that. The development of the trail on the site is an early example of the kind of project that lets the Hazelwood community know that there will be benefits to them as the site develops.
We are having a celebration of the trail opening into the Hazelwood community. It's the Heritage Trail portion. It will mean a wonderful time to have some direct exercise. Our kids will be able to go on the trail and see another side of Hazelwood and the community. We're looking for people to be much happier, healthier, and just can't wait to see everybody down here.
DEP is a critical component and a partner in all of our redevelopment sites, but it's a critical partnership to enable us to assess the sites, to remediate them, and to move forward with confidence that they are indeed safe places to invest and bring new jobs and commerce into our communities.